Acknowledge your achievements. Hi, Charles here. Good morning. Happy Tuesday. It's a new day to celebrate your wins. And let's dive in dun sa topic natin na acknowledge your achievements. So, kahit ano pa yan, sa field ka man, sa work, or simply sa pang-araw-araw mo na buhay, if you achieve something, di ba, something na ipagpapasalamat natin. So I guess for me, ang gusto ko lang i-share siguro is nagkaka 1 year ko lang sa work, so it's my first anniversary sa work, and I'm just so grateful and very happy kasi nag 1 year na ako and merong salary increase, so 'di ba, so something na ipagpapasalamat, kaya thankful ako dito sa company na affiliated ako kasi in just a span of a year meron agad salary increase, kasi sa iba wala namang ganyan eh. So ayun, thank you for that. Yeah, kung ano man yan yung mga na-achieve mo, nakuha mo, dapat ka magpasalamat kasi I'm sure marami pa, and be excited kasi more blessings to come. Gracious naman si Lord eh, di ba? So ayun lang for today. So whatever you're doing, choose today to celebrate every wins kahit maliit pa yan. Ayun lang, anyong, ingat, God bless. Mwah.